Hello everyone. I received my coffee maker, my single service coffee maker from Amazon. Okay. Now, this coffee maker was $79.99. I received mine free through the program. I am loving this beauty here. One thing, it matches my stove and refrigerator. That's a plus. But a super plus is this coffee maker here. The water tank here holds 50 ounces of water, okay? And I don't just have to use the ground coffee or just have to use the coffee pot. I get to use both. It holds both. Yes. It comes with attachments. There's one. This is for the tea. Okay. Here's one. Ground coffee. Okay. This is the lid right here to the water tank. Okay. And a super duper plus. I can have a small cup of coffee, a medium cup of coffee, or a large if I want to be fancy. Yes. And you can customize your coffee. Because with that ground coffee, you put in here, you drop whatever you want in here. A little orange peeling to give it flavor. What is that other? Vanilla, or either the cinnamon. Yes, you can customize your coffee. I told you this is a good one here. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, I have this water tank open. So what I'm going to do, I am going to put my water in here. Yes, I could take it to the sink and fill it up. But I want to fill it up right here where you can see. So that's not 50 ounces of water. Trust me. But you could see where I put that water in there. And I didn't want to. I just wanted to show where you pour the water and how you pour it in there, okay? And then you put this over there, okay? It's nice and snug. Now, to get this water tank out, you just lift up. I can't do it with well, yes, I can. Lift up, and the water tank is out. You put it back on here. Make sure it fits nice and snug. That's how you take it off and put it on. I have already plugged it up. Let me plug it up with a light. Okay. Now, I filled it up with water. Well, I filled it with water. Some water. Didn't fill it up. I did not put the whole 50 ounces of water in there. Oh, it also come with this user guide here. SIFENE. If I'm wrong, forgive me. But that's where that's gonna go today. Okay? Now, with all these attachments that came with it, okay? You have to keep up with this stuff. I am going to put it in a little bag so I would know where it is when I get ready to use those items, okay? So I'm going to sit that over there. Turn the coffee pot around to the camera, okay? Now, this is how you open it. I already done put that coffee pot in there, okay? I done washed the pieces and everything. So, close it down. Make sure it's down. Yeah, we finna get a nice cup of coffee. I am gonna turn it on. See that? I barely touched that thing. Now, what size coffee I want? Let's go medium. Right there. I wonder, do I supposed to keep my finger there? No, I don't. Answer my own question. And you see how that is going, okay? Now, you hear that good fresh coffee? That's for me, okay? What I am going to do with that good fresh coffee. Okay, I have a spoon. And the smell. I wish it had smell-o-vision. Oh, it's just a piece of cake, homemade cake. Yes, I'm gonna have with some coffee. But if it has smell-o-vision, yes, it smells so good. I love the smell of coffee. And see, that's the medium. This is the small. Over here with the one little drip over the coffee. Then that's 2, because it has 2 little drips. That's the medium. And this is the large. It has 3 little drips of coffee. Or water, or simulating that it's water, what have you. Okay, it's telling me, look, girl, get your coffee. Look. I already put my cream in there. I am ready. I don't use sugar. It's the cream in the coffee. Ooh. And a slice of homemade pound cake. No, I didn't bake it. Someone else baked it, and I get to enjoy. Okay, let's taste. It's hot. Woo. It's hot. Like I said, it's $79.99. And I got mine from Amazon, and mine was free through the program, okay? But you, lucky you, get to invest $79.99. And you too can have this here. You know how sometimes you go in the store and they don't have, I like hazelnut. They don't have the hazelnut coffee pot. Now,
Hey guys, it's Steven, and today we're going to be taking a look